Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I'm going to tell you about raise to wake option in iPhone. Raise to wake option is actually when you raise your phone, its screen will wake up. So, in this video, I will tell you how you can do this in your iPhone. Whenever you raise your screen and the option of raise to wake is off, it will not turn on. But when you turn on this option and then raise your screen, then your screen will raise up. For example, when you take up your phone, your screen turns on. So how to do this? You have to open settings in your iPhone, then go to display and brightness area. Here you have to scroll down and you can see that raise to wake option. If it is turned off, then turn it on. And after that, you turn it on raise to wake option. Whenever you raise your phone wake up. So by this way, you can easily use raise to wake option in your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.